Good afternoon, class 4. Welcome to science lesson. Today in science we are going to handle human body. Under human body we look at human teeth, we look at the type of teeth, structure of teeth, function of different types of teeth, and we also look at the way they appear as a set of teeth in human body. The type of teeth that a human being has, there are 4 in numbers. The first one is called incisors, another one is canine, premolar, and molar. So a total number of teeth that a human being has is 32. Those 32 teeth are located on upper and lower jaw. When you talk about lower jaw and upper jaw, they are the gums, or we can call them that place where the teeth are. So where the set of teeth have been arranged, that is where a jaw is. So we have lower jaw and upper jaw. So let's also check about structure of teeth. We want to look at how the teeth look like on a human being and how the human being teeth they are. Incisors, for example, they are chisel and they have a root. When I talk about chisel, it has a shape like a djembe, for those who have seen a djembe. So our incisors look like a djembe. So they are chisel and they have one root. Canine are sharp and pointed. They also have one root. So you'll realize that in human body there are types of teeth. There are two types of teeth whereby they are having one root. That is incisor and canine. So the canine are sharp and pointed and they have one root. We have another type of teeth which is called premolar. The word pre means before. That's why it is a teeth that becomes before a molar. So premolar, they have two roots, and if you look at the top of those teeth are uneven. So it has two roots and they are uneven, meaning that if you look at the crown, you'll be able to know what the crown is as we'll be moving on through this lesson. The crown of the teeth is uneven. We also have another type of teeth, molars. Now the molar is the last teeth and they have three roots. Even if you check their tops, they are uneven. So that is the structure of how our teeth look like, and you should remember that if you look at the teeth, there is a crown. The whitish thing is called a crown, and then where the gum hold is neck, and then there are two things down there where it is inside the root, or inside the gum, inside the gum, it is called roots. So the teeth has a gum, and inside the gum, that is where we have a root, and then upper side, the white thing we have said, it is crown, and then in the middle where we have gums, it is neck. That is the structure of how a teeth looks like. So let's move on to the functions of different types of teeth. So in those 4 types of teeth that we have talked about, we want to look at their function. Now, number 1, incisors. We say that incisors, they are chisel like, and have a root, one root. Now, these incisors, they are used for biting and cutting. So sometimes when you're given a food and someone tell you to bite that, for example, to bite it, you use incisors. Remember, incisors are in front of your mouth, and they are used for biting and cutting. The number of incisors are 8 in number, meaning that we have 4 in the upper jaw, and we have also another 4 in the lower jaw, making them a total of 8 in number. So if someone asks you how many incisors do human beings have, you'll say they have a number of 8 incisors. And what is the function of incisors? Incisors is used for biting and cutting. Another type of teeth that we want to talk about its function is canine. Canine, we say that canine, they are sharp and pointed. Remember, we said that canine is having, it has one root. So canine is used for tearing and piercing. The number of canine are 4 in numbers, meaning that 2 in the upper jaw and then another 2 in the lower jaw. They are found the sideways. After incisors, then we'll have canine. Now, canine, you have said they are used for tearing and piercing. For those who doesn't know, the meaning of piercing is like making hole, when maybe making a hole, or tearing when you are now using a bone, you want to remove meat from a bone. How a dog uses his canine, that's how we use our canine, for tearing. Another type of teeth that we are going to talk about, its function, is premolar. Premolar are used for chewing and grinding. We said that premolar, they are uneven, and if you look at their tops, and they have 2 roots. So premolar, when it comes to their function, it is used for chewing and grinding. Chewing and grinding. So we have four premolar in the lower jaw and the upper jaw. So there are 4 sideways, 2, which makes the lower part to have 4, 2 this left side, 2 the other side, which is going to make it 4. Then we have 2 upper side, that is left side, the 2 upper side that are making them 4. So in total number of teeth premolar that we have in a human body, or in human being, are 8 in numbers. We have another function of molars. We said that molars are the last teeth. They are used for also chewing and grinding. We said that molars have 3 roots, and if you look at their tops, they are uneven. And when you realize that they have the same function as premolar, so they are also used for chewing and grinding. So for molars, in numbers, there are 12, meaning we have 6 number of molars. We have 3 on the left side, that is lower jaw, 3 lower jaw, which is making them 6 lower jaw. Then upper jaw, when you look at it sideways, we have 3, then another sideways. So 3 on top, making them 6. So if you count number of molars in human body, you will find out that they are 12. Now if you take 12, 8, 4, and you add, you'll get the total number of 32 teeth. As we said earlier, that human being has 32 teeth located on upper and lower jaw. Class 4 will mention the other function, or we'll talk about subtopic on these teeth, shedding of teeth, on our next lesson. So that is the end of this session. Thank you for cooperating, and that was my time. My name is Teacher Moses. Thank you.